It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited today because I got my very first Avon meeting in a box. Check it out. I'm going to unbox this thing for you guys. So, Avon meeting in a box is for reps that are at Gold Ambassador level or above. And then it's kind of like a subscription box. They are $50 a month. And you get kind of sneak peek previews of everything that is coming. So this is an awesome way to figure out what is going to be coming to Avon in the upcoming month. And believe me, it is good. I'm excited. Check it out. I also got some tissue paper that says Avon. I don't know. I'm going to keep the tissue paper. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm like, woohoo, tissue paper. So, oh my gosh, you guys. So, first, before I get started with meeting in a box, we got some really good promos going on, you guys. So, featured offers. I will put the featured offers link below. There's a beauty gift set that will cost $10 with a $60 purchase. Then you get free shipping, get some beauty products. And then there's also the skincare gift set, which I think is like the really good deal. Again, $10 with a $60 order. You get that. I should have brought it out here. Oh my gosh. It's the charcoal mask. I've been using that thing like twice a week. I absolutely love it. And then you get the pore strips and the anti-pollution cream. Really nice set for $10. I think it's like an $83 value. So I'll put the little screenshot up so you can see that. Shipping is free on 60 as always. And there is also a winter glamour sweepstakes that you can enter. So like I said, I'll put the link up there. So we are on the last days of campaign 26. Campaign number 1, check it out, last minute gifts starts tomorrow. You're going to want to definitely do your Christmas orders like this week. Seriously. I've been reading everywhere that post office, everything is getting really, really crowded. Because of the holidays coming up and everybody is ordering everything online. So I highly recommend ordering everything like this week. There's actually a shipping deadline based on the zone that you live in. And actually, I'm going to screenshot this so that I can put this up on the screen. For example, Avon's main shipping comes from Ohio. So if you're in like Ohio, Indiana, Pennsylvania, you can actually order up until December 20th. But if you're in like California, you're going to want to order before like December 15th. I recommend even ordering sooner. The awesome part of Avon Online is you can order a gift for somebody, have it sent to their house. You don't have to go to the store. So think about doing all your Christmas shopping on Avon. It's a really good idea. So last minute Christmas gifts. This catalog starts tomorrow, and I will put on my social accounts, Facebook and the Facebook group, the link to this catalog. It's pretty much the same stuff. There's a couple of new things in here, but it's basically the Christmas gifts. Some of the stuff sold out, too. Like that greenhouse, that gets sold out right away. So if you see something you like, I would get it sooner than later. Avon does sell out because it's super popular. So my meeting in a box is basically focused on campaign 2, which starts, I believe, the day after Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm excited about the new year. Oh my gosh, you guys. Home products from Avon. I'm addicted to their home product line. So I'm just going to kind of jump in here. The first thing that I'm super excited to show you guys in my meeting in a box, and I'm going to review these in a separate video, but I got to show you guys these. I just dropped one. Sorry about that. Are the VDL Creamy Stick Jelly. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are awesome. So Avon has an entire line of Korean beauty that is absolutely out of this world amazing. I actually did order the jelly stick during my last campaign, and this is what they look like. Like I said, I'll do a full review on these. This is a blush and a lip color, so you can use it as both. I love this. Oh my gosh. Check out how gorgeous these are. It's like a really creamy, high pigmented gloss. I don't do matte lipstick. This is amazing to me. This is like a game changer. This one is called Gretel. I love these. I think they just look absolutely amazing. So my next video, I'm going to review all the shades and talk a little bit more about these. Like I said, they're coming in campaign 2, so check those out. The next thing, I actually didn't get this in the meeting in the box, but I got to talk about it. I got this in the mail yesterday. I ordered it. Check it out. One of the new jewelry pieces from Avon. Is this not completely gorgeous? I love green. Harry Potter thing. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. The set, I actually got earrings with it. I don't know where I set the earrings. Seriously, they're around here somewhere. It's an earring and necklace at $14.99, you guys. Check that out. This is the earrings. Oops, there it is. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so thrilled about this necklace. When I opened this, I was like over the top, like, wow, like this is gorgeous for $14.99, and you get the earrings. So I'm super excited about that. So let me get back to my meeting in a box here. Yeah, got a little sidetracked there. So I actually ordered these last time, but I'm so excited that I have 2 refills. Avon now has a mop. Check it out. They have a ton of home stuff, you guys. I love it all. I actually use a lot of their cleaning products, but now they have a stick mop, and they have the wet and dry cloths that go on there. And this is all LG household, which is really cool. So this is the dry mop cloths. And then there's the wet mop. I use these all the time. I am just like over the top excited that I can now get them in Avon. And they're not pricey. So the mop is actually $14.99. And then the wet cloths are going to be $8.99. But you get a lot of these. How many are in here? This feels really heavy. 40 of them. And then the dry mops are $5.99. So you get 40 in here too. But I am super excited about these. They're for tile, wood, vinyl, and more. Vinyl, laminate, sealed wood, ceramic tile. They're fragrance free. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot tell you. I'm dropping everything today. Everything is slippery. I swear my hands are really slippery. I'm not going to edit that out, you guys. You know me, I'm always dropping stuff. I like that they're fragrance free because I cannot stand harsh chemical smell. Nope, not any fragrance at all. Oh my gosh, I love that. I don't like perfume. I don't like chemicals in my cleaning products. So I am super excited about that. I can put the little sticker back on so they don't dry out. Okay, so that is the wet mop stuff. That is coming, like I said, I think in campaign 2, which will be after Christmas. I'm also excited about the Physio Gel. So my husband and my mother have got major skin problems where they can sometimes only use the hypoallergenic stuff at certain times of year, especially in the winter. Physio Gel is hypoallergenic, and I got the Daily Moisture Facial Cream, Daily Moisture Therapy Facial Cream. Try saying that 3 times fast. Show you what this looks like. Comes in a tube like this. And then I also got the Calming Relief Cream for dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. Like I said, my husband gets eczema a lot, and he really loves this. This is like a really great product for him because he can use like nothing on his skin. He's worse than my mother. So in campaign 2, they're really showcasing all of this Physio Gel products. There's a free gift with purchase in campaign 2. You get a try it size facial cream with any Physio Gel purchase. So this is 91% felt their skin was moisturized, 93% felt the skin was supple, and it says repairs and moisturizes dry skin. Very, very well-known brand product. So check it out. Like I said, if you've got dry skin, Avon is now selling the Physio Gel. So that's exciting. I also got in my meeting in a box, I got some earrings. How cool is this? I actually don't have pierced ears, though. I do have pierced ears. I pierced them in the 80s, but then I kind of let them close over. I don't know why. I've always had big hair, and they always cover my ears, and I wear big glasses, so I've never worn earrings. But these are super pretty. Check those out. They're like a pearl. I might get these for Christmas. And then I got these cute little pearl, and just like, it looks like maybe like faux diamonds. So that was cool. So that was exciting to get that. So that is my meeting in a box. And the other thing that I wanted to tell you about, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm going to do another video about hair care. A lot of people have been asking about the hair care. Let me put my box over here, you guys. As many of you know, I have big, thick, fuzzy hair. And when it gets long, it gets completely unruly. If you're going to buy yourself something for Christmas, think about picking up some of these Propali Thera products. I use these on a daily basis. Absolutely love them. This is the curl cream. And then I also use, this is the Aloe Dual Active Hair Serum. One side is a hydro emulsion and the other one is a Nutra Essence. This stuff does a lot of good for my hair. So it's kind of like a dual thing here. And it comes out like this. One side is aloe. This does not have a floral scent. Remember how I said this has more of an aloe scent. Usually the Propali products have a really strong floral scent. But if I put this on my dry hair, I cannot believe how much it just absolutely conditions and picks it up and anti-defuzzes it. Is that a term? Anti-defuzzing? That's a term now for me. But check that out. It just literally makes my hair look like silk. I cannot say enough about these products. This has literally been my number one favorite product since I've joined Avon, I think. Other than the makeup. I don't know. It's hard to tell because I love the makeup products. I love the skincare. But man, these hair care products are absolutely amazing. So, hit the subscribe button. Gotta come back. There's going to be so much more on my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for 2021. All of the links are below if you're interested in purchasing anything from Avon. I am an online Avon rep. Shipping is free on 60 all the time. And everything gets shipped right to your house. And then if you're interested in joining Avon, it is free to join until December 31st. I don't know what they're doing after December 31st. You can hit the rep button down below, and then it takes like 3 seconds to join, and you can either sell or buy products for yourself at a discount. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is a long one. This is exciting though. I gotta go mop my floor now. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.